everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this half up, half down top knot hairstyle. This hairstyle is super easy. I love to wear this hairstyle whenever I'm wanting to dress up my outfit just a little bit more and give it a little bit more edge. Also, if y'all are new to my channel, first of all, welcome. And if you like the content that you see, then please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and please hit that subscribe button down below. All you need to achieve this hairstyle are some bobby pins, an elastic, a dry texturizing spray, or dry shampoo. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so to get started, take your dry texturizing spray or your dry shampoo and just go ahead and spray that product into the crown of your head. Then go ahead and massage that into the crown of your head just to give your hair a little bit of texture and a little bit more grit. Next, taking your elastic, you're going to section off the top portion of your head, and I section off about 2 inches above my ears. Once you have the amount of hair sectioned off that you like, go ahead and just make a messy bun on the top of your head. Obviously, we're going to fix it. Once you have the messy bun that you like, go ahead and just start bobby pinning that bun to the top of your head. I'm serious, y'all. This is so easy and it's supposed to look messy. So seriously, just take that messy bun and just start pinning it to your head. Once your top knot is secure, go ahead and loosen up those pieces up front. Pull it out so it's just a little bit more volumized. And this is complete personal preference, but I just take my teasing comb and I add some texture into the strands that frame my face. And then taking your dry texturizing spray, just go ahead and spray everything down. And y'all, that is the finished look. That is how you achieve a half up, half down top knot. Thank y'all so much for watching.